Work from home from Goa? A lot of us have thought about it, some have done it already, and that just makes us want to do it at least for a few months, if not a year. A lot of organizations have become okay with the idea of work from home. It saves them a lot of money because internet bill, electricity bill, coffee bill, in fact वो toilet paper का expense तो employee उठा रहा है ना. The views of Goa, the fresh air of the mountains. ऐसे में तो बॉस की डांट और endless meeting भी अच्छी लगेगी, नहीं? अब यार देखो, मैं तो पापा की दुकान remotely नहीं संभाल सकता ना. So as the good man Red Skull said, I guide others to a treasure I cannot possess. So if you are someone who can work remotely, this video is for you. We cannot talk about each and every place you can move to. So Goa का example लेके चलते हैं. After all, why not? Ocean view, mountain view, refreshing air, good food, सस्ती beer. It has everything you need. बाकी you can make your calculations based on the place you go to. Formula same रहेगा. So let's get to the math. We will calculate a 1 month living expense in Goa and see if it's lucrative or not. The first and probably the biggest expense you will make is on a house. Now if you're going to be living there for a longer time, it's probably not going to be a good idea to get a hotel or a homestay where you have to pay a per day cost. A 1 bedroom apartment will cost you anywhere between 25,000 to 13,000 for a month based on the location. Assuming you're not keen on spending a lot of money on stay, we can go with a 15,000 rent. बाकी अगर तुम्हें बीच पे रहना है तो you know what's it gonna cost. बाकी अगर बिल्कुल ही पैसे बचाने तो बम्बल मैच के घर रुक जाना. Provided you get one. Well, you are in Goa, so you're not going to cook at home and eat घर का खाना यार. उससे छुट्टी पाने के लिए तो यहाँ पे आए हो. Now if you're eating outside 2 times in a day, it will cost you around rupees 500 to 600 per day. Now I know this can be a lot in a month, so you can try to cook some food at home and cut down to 1 meal in a day. And if we go for outside food on alternate days, then we can cut down that cost to half. So 15 दिन के हिसाब से at 300 per day, बाहर जाके खाने का खर्चा will be 4500. घर में कुक करने के लिए you'll need groceries. That will be almost same as you spend in your city. So for one person, 3,000 per month, bringing the total food expense to rupees 7,500. For going out, you will either take public transport or rent out a scooter. Just like staying in a hotel, renting a scooter will also be on a daily basis and will cost a minimum of rupees 300 per day to upwards of rupees 1,200 per day. बाकी अगर आप वो थार वाले ब्राउन मुंडे हो तो मैं आपको क्या ही समझाऊं. If you don't want to go around too much and only go out on weekends, then this is for you. At a minimum cost of rupees 300 per day and 200 for fuel and counting 4 weekends, that is 8 days, you will end up spending rupees 4,000. That is if you made some friends there and go out for drinks and have fun every weekend. Now your other option is public transport. This will cost you around 550 for a monthly pass. Cabs can cost at least rupees 100 for a one-side trip. So you're better off either hiring a scooter or getting a bus pass. अगर सस्ते में निपटना चाहते हो तो एक और बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है आपके पास. You can make a local friend who owns a vehicle and mooch off them, जैसे आप अपने घर पे करते हो. If you are working from Goa, you will need internet, phone, and of course you will use extra electricity to run your laptop all day. अब Instagram stories भी तो डालनी है तो iPhone भी पूरा दिन चार्ज होगा. Now broadband internet will cost you around rupees 1,400 for the month. For an unlimited prepaid phone plan, rupees 300. And electricity, water, garbage, ये सब खर्चा मिला के होगा around 1,300. सब मिला जुला के हो गया rupees 3,000. Working from Goa means पार्टी तो होगी यार, एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस इन अ मंथ. यही करने तो आए हो यार गोवा. खुली हवा तो छत पे भी दी घर के. So per party you will spend up to rupees 3,000 on drinks and food. अब आप ज्यादा शराबी हो तो आप अपना बजट देख लेना. And for 2 times it equals to rupees 6,000. Now there will be other miscellaneous expenses like laundry, maid, etc. इन सबको मिला के होगा rupees 3,000. Now let's add up all of this. Staying a month in Goa, you will end up spending a total of rupees 15,000 plus 7,500 plus 550 plus 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,000. Total हो गए 35,050 rupees. Not too bad, yeah. I mean, of course, you can blow up this cost by getting a house in a more expensive part of the town, renting a scooter, renting your Thar, going partying every day, eating outside for every meal. But यार गोवा रिलैक्स करने गए हो, पैसे की टेंशन लेने नहीं, तो फिर देर किस बात की है? Say bye to the pollution and crowds of a city and have a workcation now. And for more such videos, keep watching India Times.